Gangadharan, kindly post the stream link to my WhatsApp number. I will post in the WhatsApp group. And also stop the screen sharing.
Raj, can we start now, please?
Okay. Uh, So, good evening, one and all present here. It's my immense pleasure to invite you all for UGC Net and Set Remembrance remarkable individual whose kindness and dedication untouched the lives of many. And Dr. Viswanathan was more than just a professional. He was becoming a compassion and inspiration and remarkable individual who void in our heads. But his legacy of generosity and support and continues to inspire us. So, in the remembrance of his extraordinary contributions, we are organizing the Vishwanathan believed the power of education and the importance of uplifting others. So, and it is in spite of the way that carry the forward of his mission. So we hope that each one of you will embrace this opportunity with dedications and commitment. So on behalf of the organizing team, and we wish you all very best to in your examinations and may succeed in doing so honor the memory of man who was so much to many. So this session, it's a tribute to Dr. R. Viswanathan. This is a free coaching training class for NET and SET. So now I would like to, so now we are in the third day sessions. Now we are going to discuss the new topic, new unit, that is unit 5, mathematical reasoning and that attitude. So now we have a person, Mr. K. Balasubramanian. Uh, he is working as an assistant professor at Thiagarajar College of Preceptors, aided Madurai. He has an excellent and academic record and serving this teacher education in the field from the past 17 years. He was awarded the best teacher and best teacher educator, young researcher, community server, and so on. So he has published nearly 16 ISBN books and international and national research article in various platforms. He got a patent for publication and he's the certified Microsoft certified trainer for AI tools and data analysis. He run a separate UGC NET TN set class academy for examination and for the past 2 years he is conducting the service. Balasubramanian sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Shall I proceed? Yeah.
Yeah,
Because
please.
already we don't. Yeah. Thank you. Already we don't have a time. Thank you for the opportunity to exploring the content in front of all the participants, those who are aspirant to cracking this UGC NET examination as well. So I don't want to waste your time. I'm directly going to the presentation. Yeah. Kindly tell me my PPT is visible or not.
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah, thank you. Uh, for the UGC NET examination as well as TN SIT examination, this thing which is which gives you more fear how I am going to crack this examination this time, how I am going to crack this examination this time because I don't have much knowledge about mathematics, mathematical reasoning, and I don't have a time to solve all the questions. This much of a bias you would have, but don't worry. After completing my session, all are very well, and all are able to complete, and all are able to crack this mathematical reasoning question very simplest manner. I'm going to give you tips and tricks to you. Kindly watch, keen observation, because every slide it is more important for you. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you. Yeah. Often this UGC NET examination as well as the TN SET examination, at this point you must be remember uh, this thing may give you a big phobia to cracking this UGC NET examination in every time. Maybe they are asking a big question. While you are seeing that big question, it gives some boredom to answer, and you many of you are answering. I always answering with the scrolling the dice. How many of you? How many of you writing the answer to scrolling the dice, which is maybe your eraser. And then the mathematics questions are too difficult because I couldn't understand the mathematical questions. It is because of they are having some reason, and I couldn't find out the correct way to answer. And usually I'm a mathematic phobia, and many of you would have tell like this. I don't have a time to solve because I am concentrating some other questions, and I'm wasting. I'm giving much more importance to other questions too. But what I'm trying to tell you now, if you are concentrating this mathematical reasoning question, they would have they are going to ask uh, 10 questions. In each questions, you can answer the question within a minute. It is because of I'm going to give you a shortcut and trick. Those who are very much needed this shortcut and tricks, kindly raise their hands. Those who wants, yeah, good, yeah, good, great, thank you. And then in this mathematical reasoning area, they are concentrating, and which is the scoring topic. which I am going to deal with you in this session. First one is coding and decoding. Kindly raise your hand. How many of you know very well about the ABCD up to Z? How many letters are there? It is a fun question to you. Maybe. How many of you? Yeah, very good. You may very well known about A to Z. That's good. From that ABCD, from that A to Z, they are giving some reasoning to solve the questions. You must concentrate that A to Z with some logical reason, with logic pattern. Okay. I will deal with that one in the next slide. And I wanted to introduce that calendar reasoning, time angle determination, number series, time and work, direction, profit and loss, ratio, proportion, simple interest and compound interest. These are all the things which are all related to our mathematical reasoning. I thought you are ready to score your mark as well. Yeah, this is the first one, coding and decoding. What it is means coding and decoding. Coding and decoding is an important part of logical reasoning section in all aptitude related examination. Along with that, our UGC NET examination too. Coding is a process used to encrypt a word or a number in a particular code or a pattern based on some rules. Decoding is a process to decrypt the pattern into its original form from the given code. Letter coding in this type of question, the alphabets of a word are replaced by some other alphabets according to specific rule to form a code. Number coding in this type of question, a word is replaced by certain number according to some specific rules. So what you are telling about the rules, I couldn't find out the rules and regulation because I know very well only the A to Z. Can you tell me the shortcut to identify the coding and decoding, the rules and regulation? Yeah, I'm going to give you ready. Yeah, whenever you are entering into the examination hall, you must write like this. A, which means one. Yeah, A starts from the first letter, which seems to be one. And which is a forward position. A2 Z I have written. A2 Z I have written like this. Yeah, the number starts from 1 to 26. Yeah, now tell me, you know very well about the A to Z. I'm going to ask you the number position. It may be a forward position or a backward position. You can write in your examination novel. No problem. I'm going to ask the number for the particular alphabet. Are you ready? Are you ready to answer my question? Are you ready? Yes. What is the position value of R? What is the position value of R? Yeah. Can you
18,
send me
sir.
the 18? That's good. What is the position value of F?
6.
You have to answer as well. Very,
Six.
very good. What is the position value? What is the position value of I?
9.
9.
What is the position value of EZ?
26.
26.
What is the position value of a T?
20.
20.
20. That's good. It is amazing. You would have answered very well. So with this trick, we are going to crack the examination as well. Yeah. Alphabets, which is you have to write like this from A to Z, A to M. It starts from A to M, which is a 1 to 13, and reversely you can write from N to Z, which is the position values of 14 to 26, from which you can identify the answer as well. And now I am going to give you the rules and regulation which we are going to follow in the rules and regulation. First rule number one. The rule number one, which is the pattern which increases +1, +1.
இதெல்லாம் தெரியும்டா மேக்ஸ் சொல்லி கொடுங்கடா.
My dear friends, kindly mute your phone because everybody is there watching. +1, +1, +1, +1 like this. This is the rule number one. And the rule number two, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1. And the rule number three, +1, -1, +1, -1, and so on. And the rule number four, +1, +2, +3, +4, and so on. And the rule number five, +1, -2, +3, -4, and so on. Are you ready to meet the question as well? Are you ready? Now I would have told about the rules and regulation, the positional values of A to Z, and I have given what it is of coding and decoding. Now you are going to meet the question as well. This is the question. This is the question. If Delhi is written as EDMGH in a certain code, how Nepal is written in that code? I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you a 20-second time frame for you. If you are identifying the answer, you can tell, or else I will explain. Delhi. And it should be E D M G J. When you are facing this type of question, what I'm trying to tell you now, this thing, which is the position value, you have to write on the top of that question. What is the code of what is the alphabet positional value of a D? Can you interact with me?
4 sir. 4.
4. What is the E? 5.
5.
What is L?
12.
12. What is H? 8. What is I?
9.
From the given code which already given, 4 plus 1 is it 5. Right or wrong?
Yes.
5 minus 4, which is 5 minus 1, which is a 4. 12 plus 1, which is a 13. 8 minus 1, which is 7. 9 plus 1, which is 10. We could identify the pattern, which is a +1, -1, +1, and -1. So now we are going to write the answer. Nepal. For Nepal, you should tell the alphabet positional value of all that letters which given in the Nepal. What is the letter of N?
14.
What is the letter of
5.
what is the letter
Mine.
of P?
P
Many of them
is
they would
16.
answer very well. 16.
16.
Is it right?
P is 16.
Yes. Yeah. One.
A is
What
1.
is L?
L is 12.
What is L? 12.
12.
Yeah. 14 minus 14 plus 1, which is a 15. 5 minus 1, which is a 4. 16 plus 1, which gives 17. 1 minus 1, which is 26. First order. 12 plus 1, which is a 13. If you are writing the positional alphabet for this number, you can. What is the what is the alphabet for 15? O. What is the alphabet for 4?
4.
D.
What is the alphabet
Q.
for 17?
Q.
What is the alphabet for 26?
Z.
Yeah. That's all about the answer. You can crack within within a minute. If you are agree, give thumbs up to me. If you are agree with this answer, give the thumbs up to me. Yeah, good. So this is the answer. ODQ is a M. If you find which is a very simplest means, you should give a thumbs up to me. Yeah, this is a so simplest shortcut, sir. I would have cracked this question as well. If it is right, you just give the thumbs up to me. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, this is the practice problem which I am going to give you. How many of you ready to answer this type of question as fast as? As fast as. I'm giving a I'm giving a 5 questions only. 5 questions only. You would have answered this question as fast as your possible way. Yeah. I hold on the screen. I will give the time to you. As fast as you have to go write the answer and find the answer. Each question you should take 30 seconds. Yeah. Each question you should take 30
First
questions.
question answer is CPNCB. Is it first question?
Yeah. I need only A, B, C, D, R.
Okay.
Yeah, you should answer the question. Yeah, now I'm going to give a big clap to YMASK. Yeah, you would have answered first answer. First answer I received from the YMASK and Prabhas and Naveen Kumar. Sweet Charan. A man, so don't copy in the other's answer. You should find the answer correctly. Janita. Yes, Janita. Yeah. Sasanka and Varsha. Varsha and Sasanka, you should correct your answer. Sandhya.
A for 2, sir.
Yeah, you could answer correctly. Or else I will tell you the answer. Many of you have answered very well the first question. Yeah, and I'm going to answer the second question. In a certain code, the triple is written as a SQHOOKD. How is the dispose written in that code? How is the dispose written in that code?
Option A.
Yeah, you should answer from the chat box. Who telling the answer A? May I know your name? Hi, my dears. Yeah, question number 2, which is answer A from YMASK. Yes. Give a big clap to YMASK. Good. And Juwairiya Taj. Juwairiya. Naveen Kumar.
Yes.
Prapyania. Prabhas. Yeah, you should take only 30 seconds to answer these type of questions. As fast as you have to write. You know very well the positional value of a word. Yeah. Kavishri. Excellent. I would have got the answer from Kavishri, which is a C. Third question. Monica. Botany basics. YMASK. I received the answers from all. Now I'm going to change the question, which is I'm going to give you the fourth question. Are you ready? Are you ready? Naveen Kumar, Rashya Kumar, Sandhya. Yeah, this is the fourth question for you. This is the fourth question. I'm waiting you to answer the fourth and fifth question. After a while, I'm going to give you the right answer, which are all you would have answered. Yeah, this is the fourth question. Yeah, I'm waiting. Yeah, excellent. Botany basics. He gave an answer for fourth question. Yay. Yeah. I thought many of my old students, they were joined in my class. I welcome to all. Great. I never knew you would have joined in this class. Thank you. Join. Can I get the answer for fifth question? Those who are answered, I am going to check that. For that fourth question only, I received the answer. Can you tell me the fifth question answer? Anybody? Those who are ready to answer the fifth question? Because already time has gone. Already time has gone. D. Which question for D? Nitya sir, please explain fourth one. Which fourth one? Fourth question. Huh? Yeah, I will explain to you. No worries. I will explain. You have to write the positional value for monkey and X, D, J, M, N, L, and how the tiger, which is written in that code. You can get the answer. Nitya.
Yes, sir.
YMASK. I need the answer for fifth question. I don't want the answer of a third question.
Sir,
Yeah,
fourth
now I'm
question
going to
answer
go.
is
Yeah,
D, sir.
fourth question answer is a D. Yeah, I'm going to give you the right answer. No worries. You just wait a fraction of second. Yeah, ready. I'm going to give you the right answer to all the question. Yeah, before that, I need you to answer for the fifth question. If I receive at least one or two fifth question answer, I'm going to give you the right answer to you all. The fifth question is a D. Yeah, I should appreciate to the Kavishri, TB Kavishri. Thank you. Yeah, I received the answer for the fifth question, which is a D. Okay, good. Is anybody? If anybody, my dear friends, kindly mute your phone because everybody, they are very eager to join in my class because they are very much aspirant to crack this UGC net examination this time itself. This time itself. This is the right time to crack this UGC net examination as well as a T and set examination, which is a double bonanza. You will get it. After completing my session, you are having a perfect idea, tricks to solve all the questions. Yeah, I received many of them, which they are answered. The fifth question is a D. Yeah, this is the right answer. You would have checked that one. Yeah. First question is a B, second question is a A, third question is a C, fourth question is a A, and fifth question is a D. Yeah, I'm going to give you a big clap to those who are answered in my question. Thank you all to answer my question. Good. Can I move the next session, next part? Can I move? Can I? If you are interested, give the thumbs up to me. If you are interested, sir, I am very much interested to answering this question, sir. And I received a correct way to answer the coding and decoding from you, sir. If yes, give the thumbs up to me. Give the thumbs up to me. Yeah, good. Yeah, the next part, which is a calendar reasoning. Every day, we are tearing the calendar and seeing the calendar eventually. But we never knew it has some logical matters. I'm going to introduce the basics of calendar reasoning which is a concept. In a normal year and a leap year, there are two type of years are there. In a normal year, there are 365 days and a leap year 366 days. And to identify the leap year, for example, if they are given a 1948, we are going to divide by 4. We will get the answer. The remainder should be a 0. We can get the answer. But I'm going to give you the correct trick. You should answer if they are asking the same matter, which is 1948 means don't divide all those numbers by 4. Okay. Just take the last 2 digit, which is enough to divide. Yella numbering. Can I talk with the Tamil? Because some of the persons they would have joined in different states too. I thought. Yeah, whenever they are asking the leap year identification, you just say divide. And
sir. The people were joined from other state also. Better you can talk.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes, sir. If they are asking the leap year identification, you just take the last 2 digit of the year and divide it by 4. You could get the answer, and the remainder should be a 0. If it is yes, which is a leap year. For example, if they are giving century year, which is a 1800, 2000, 2200, 1900, which is 2100, 2300. Now I am going to identify the leap year from the century year. From the century year, if they are giving 2200 means 2200 means you should divide all the year by 400, which is the greatest trick to identify the leap year for the century year. But you should divide at once only. At once only. Kindly tell me if the 2200 is a leap year or not.
No, sir.
Leap year, sir.
No,
No.
sir. It's not a leap year.
No.
5 means the remainder
Yes,
2 will
No,
come
it's
there.
not a leap year, sir.
No, sir.
Yes. Yes. So then kindly identify the century year which I have given, which I have displayed from you, displayed it to you. Identify which one is a leap year. Which one is a leap year?
2000.
Yes, that's good. 2000.
2000.
2000 is a leap year in the century years if they are given. Yeah. Now I'm going to tell you the next thing. You can check your calendar too. No problem. You can check the calendar too. If in a normal year, the 1st January starts from Sunday means the 31st December always ends with Sunday. If you are checking from the calendar, give the thumbs up to me. You would have checked the answer. 1st January Sunday means 31st December always ends with in a normal year. In a normal year. I'm going to give you a leap year. For example, if the 1st January starts with the Sunday means the 31st December always ends with the next day of that starting day, which is a consecutive day, which is a Monday. Which is a Monday. This is the greatest trick you can identify the calendar reason. Yeah. And I have found many more years back for answering this question, I found a month code to solve the question as soon as possible. I have given a month code. You should remember this month code for a normal year. For a normal year, which I have given in the top. JFM, which is a January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, which is the month code for normal year, which is a 733614625 For example, if the year is a leap year, the month code is differ in the first two letters only, first two numbers only. Instead of 73, you should take it as a 623, 614, 625, 735. Sir, why you are giving this month code, sir? Yeah, I'm going to give you the correct step. Yeah, this is the date code. This is the date code which I have found to answer the question. Sunday, which means one. Sunday starts from Sunday to Saturday. It goes to 1 to 7. If the remainder is 0, you should take it as a Saturday. Yeah. Now I'm going to give you the step-by-step answer. What is the day of 12th November 2021? If they are asking like this, eventually, regularly they are asking in the calendar reasoning in the UGC NET examination, they are asking like this only. They are asking like this only. Which to identify this calendar reasoning, you should do 4 steps. The first step, you should take the date which they are given as such. Number 1. And the number 2, month code for the given month. And step number 3, last 2 digit of the year. Last 2 digit of the year. And for identifying the day from the year, you have to divide the last 2 digit of the year by 4 and add all the things, you will get the answer, which is a 41. Yeah, now I'm going to tell you the first step, which is a date. They are given on the 12th. The month code for November. What is the month code for November? 733614625 735. So the month code for November, which is a 3, which I have taken as such. And the last, which I have taken as such. And 21 by 4. நீங்க four, which goes 5 fours are 20 and 2 fours are 8. 5.2 point something is going on, sir. What I have to do, sir? Don't consider the decimal. You just take the whole number. In a week, we are having 7 days in a week. Find the perfect day of the given year. 41 divided by 7. 41 divided by, no, wait. Yeah. 41 divided by 7. 1 sevens are 7. 5 sevens are 35. Here you have to concentrate the remainder only. 41, 5 sevens are 35. What is the remaining? The remaining is 6. What is the date code for 6? The date code for 6 is, which is a Friday. You can identify the answer as well from this step. If you agree, which is a greatest way to identify the answer, give the thumbs up to me. Give the 100% to me. Yeah. I need an answer from you, from everybody. I need an answer from everybody. Which is the simplest way to identify the calendar reasoning, sir. If you are agree with this, give the thumbs up to me and give the 100% to me. Sir, how to calculate month code, sir? Yeah, which I have found. To answer the question, so you have to memorize that one. So which I have given in a normal year, I have given the month code for all the months, which is a 733614625 and the month code for leap year 623614625 If you agree with my steps, give the thumbs up to me. I'm waiting for your answer. Give the 100% to me. If you are giving, I will move the next, or else I will stay with here, because your satisfaction is more important to our team. Everybody, you should answer the question how how the way they are asking. We don't worry about that. We can answer the question correctly. I need answer from everybody. I need answer from everybody. I'm waiting for your answer. If yes, I'm going to the move. I'm going to move the next part.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sir, please explain month code, sir.
Yeah, this month code. Yeah, this month code, which I have found to answer the question. So you have to memorize this month code to solve the question very easily. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's good. Can you move the next? Can you move the next part? Can you move the next part?
Yes, sir.
Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Yeah, good.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, 5, that remaining 41 divided by 7, remaining 1 is 5 plus 1, 6, sir.
No, ma'am. 5 plus 1, 6 இல்ல. நான் தமிழ்ல உங்களுக்கு நான் சொல்றேன். Because everybody they are watching from the outside of the state of the Tamil Nadu. So I'm going to explain with the English. 5 sevens are 35.
Yeah, 5.
5 sevens are 35. The remainder is 6.
Okay.
So you have to concentrate the remainder only to identify the correct day. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Here,
Yeah.
21 divided by 4 போட்டிருக்கீங்க அதில் 21 divided by 4.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. 5 fours are 20.
Why, sir, that don't?
You have to take. Yeah, you have to take the whole division number only. Don't concentrate the remainder. Don't concentrate the decimal. Okay.
No, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. How many of you wanted to answer the practice question? This is the practice question to identify the answer. Which of the following is the leap year? Identify as soon as possible.
Option D.
As fast as.
D.
Yes. Very
Option
good.
D.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yeah. A man's birthday is 29th February 1896. When his next birthday comes? The second question. 1904.
Option C, sir. 1904.
Usually நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னா 96 இதோட ஒரு 4 வருஷத்தை கூட்டிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா 1900 வந்துருது. அதனால ஆன்சர் வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா 1900 அப்படின்னு நம்ம போட்டுருவோம். நிறைய பேர் 1901 அப்படின்பாங்க. 1901 which is not a leap year. Which is not a leap year. Which is not a leap year. 1896. 1896. 1900 which is a century year. Which is a century year. From the answer itself you can identify. I already told you now, you just take the last 2 digit of the year divided by 4. 1 4s are 4. Remainder is 0. So the answer is a C. Those who are answered the C, you are ready to crack the UGC NET examination as well. Yeah. This is the question to you. Kindly answer my question as fast as. 1st January 2003 is a Sunday.
Sunday.
31st December 2004 is a
Sunday.
How it comes to Sunday?
Monday,
How
sir.
it comes to Sunday?
Monday.
Monday. How it comes to Monday?
Because 30.
2004 is a leap year.
Yeah, for the leap year, you have to
Add
Add
1 day.
Add 1 day extra. If the Monday comes means what may come, sir?
Sir,
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Tuesday.
ஆமாங்க Tuesday தாங்க. ஆமாங்க Tuesday தாங்க. Tuesday. Yeah. This is the next session which I am going to take you for the time and angle determination, which is a very simplest area of to identifying the matters of which is related to time and angle. Now I have given a time to you. What is the time right now? What is the time right now which I have given? What is the right time?
8, 20.
10. Yeah.
8:21.
Yeah. No, sir. I don't want the answer of 8:27. What the right time which I have given in front of you?
10, 10.
10.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. In a mathematical reasoning section, calendar is in the clock reasoning, they are rating two type of questions. One image, another one is angle determination. Now I am going to explain the simplest way of all those things. Just in a circle, which is a radius. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It's wrong.
Yes. Wrong, ah?
Sir, you have drawn the diameter, sir.
Diameter, sir.
Very good.
Sir.
Very good. ஏதோ ஒண்ணு சொல்றது வாத்தியார் சொல்றாருன்னு ஜாலியா கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கக்கூடாது. Yeah, what is the total degree of circle?
360 degrees.
Yeah. In the diameter, in the half portion of the diameter, subtract from that one, you could get the answer as 150. Mirror, it shows the mirror image of the right time, which is 8:30. Now the right time is 8:30. I thought 8:32. For example, the time is 2:20 means you just subtract from the 11:60, you could get the answer 9:40. This is the simplest way to identify the mirror image. Simplest way. Now I'm going to give the angle determination, which I have given in the to identify the angle determination. We have which is a 30, 30, 30, which is a 90 degree. So likewise, we are going to identify in a correct time, in a given time. For example, now I'm going to take the time is 3:10. 3:10. I have found many more years back. I have struggled a lot to answer this type of question. I will get the insight from assistant professor from New Delhi University. He gave a correct formula to identify the angle determination, which is the simplest shortcut way to identify the angle determination of the given time. For example, I have taken 3:10 means this is the formula you have to write. Like which means hour minus 11/2 into minutes. This is the answer. This is the correct formula to find the angle for given time. For example, the time they are given as 30 into 3 minus 11/2 into 10. Which is 3/30s are 90 minus 110. To 20. If you are simplifying that one, you could get the answer, which is 210. If you are subtracting from the 210, you will get the answer 110. The time determination, the angle is 310 for the time, which is 110 degree.
Why so?
Yeah.
Why so we
Now
are?
I'm going to move. Yeah. Yeah, ma'am.
Why did we multiply with 3? 30 into 3.
30 hours. 30
That
hours.
3 mean.
For example, wait. For example, now the time is 4:20. You could apply that formula as 30 hours. Hours which they are given as a 4 hours, which is 30 into 4 minus 11 by 2 into minutes, which is 20. Is it right or wrong? Have you understand, ma'am?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
34 sir, 120 minus 11 by 2 into 20, which is a 110. So
Okay, sir.
the answer is
Okay.
10. Yeah. Now I'm going to move the next session, which is direction test. Direction. As you know well, we are having a 4 basic direction whenever we are going to draw that matters in the sketch like this. We should draw like this in the upper side. We should write north, opposite side, which is the south. Then right to the south, which is the east, and left to the south, which we call it as a west. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Along with that, we have some 4 basic additional directions, which we call it as northwest, northeast, southwest, and southeast. These are all the 4 basic unit and 4 basic direction, as well as 4 sub directions are there. As you know well. Yeah. Along with that, I wanted to introduce the Pythagoras theorem, which is applicable to this direction test to identify the correct direction question. This is the basic thing you have to identify. You have to understand. The Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of the other 2 sides of a triangle. This is the basic concept about direction test. We have 8 basic directions. Now only we have discussed. One point is to remember, starting point is not given. If the starting point is not given, means you should assume that the person facing north. Sir, how the questions they are asking, sir? How the questions are they are asking? Yeah, I'm going to give you the model question. Then you can identify, oh, the simplest way is this. A key point you have to remember when you are going to write the direction test. First, always remember the basic direction, which is south, north, south, west, east. And Pythagoras theorem is valid only for right angle triangle, which is valid only for right angle triangle. The direction of the right turn is always clockwise. Left turn, which always anti-clockwise. Always approach the question step-by-step manner. In the end, join the initial and final point to get the distance and the relative direction. Yeah. This is the question. Tina derives, likewise only they are asking the question in the UGC NET examination as well as SET examination. Tina derives 45 kilometers towards east. Then she took a right turn and drives 65 kilometers. Again, she took a left turn and drives 33 kilometers. In which direction is facing now? If they are asking like this means, you have to draw this.
East, sir.
North, south, east, west. We doesn't know in the starting. So we could consider sea facing in the north side, which I have to given the key remember point. Tina derives 45 kilometers towards east side. So 45. Again, then she took a right turn, which is a right turn, which means a clockwise. She goes up to 65 kilometers. And then she took a left turn, which is anti-clockwise. She goes up to 33 kilometers. Obviously, she facing the east side. So this is the simplest way to answer this type of question. I have received the answer from Nitya and Kavishri. Very good. So this is the second question. Karan walked 40 kilometers towards north, took a left turn and walked 20 meters, again turns left and walked 40 meters. How far in which direction is now from the starting point? So, Karan walked 40 meters towards north side and took a left turn, which is anti-clockwise, 20 meters, again 40 meters by left turn, which is anti-clockwise. In which direction he facing right now? Which is a south, which is a north, which is a east, which is the west. Now he facing the east side. The 40 meters and 40 meters goes to cancel. The 20 meters is relative distance I have drawn in the matter, which is a 20 kilometer. Which is a east side. So this is the simplest way to identify the answer. How many of you wants to get the practice question? Yeah, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to you. 30 seconds to you. You have to answer this question. The question number 3.
And drive 15 kilometers to west.
Meanwhile, Hello. Kindly mute your phone. Meanwhile, I'm going to take a little bit of water. When I came back, you had to answer the question.
House, then turn left to the right.
Oh, Mamba. Yeah. Now the time is 8:44. Just 8:44. Thank you for being patient and be courageous to joining in my session. I thought till now 80 people are there, and many more they are watching in the YouTube live session. Can I get the answer?
15 kilometers
from north.
Sir,
15 kilometers to west. To the west.
15 kilometers to
north.
West
north.
15 kilometers.
மேடம் உங்களுடைய மைக் ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டு பேசலாமே. எக்ஸாம் ஹால்ல இப்படி பேச முடியாது. 15 kilometers from the north, which is the right answer from Rajkumar sir, if you don't mind. Rajkumar sir.
Yes,
Rajkumar sir.
sir. Yes, sir. I'm there. I'm here.
Yeah. Our principal is calling to me because if I'm answering his call, the connection may goes to cut.
Okay.
So you just ask him.
I will contact to principal, sir.
Thank you. So from the Manik Basha, I got the answer. It's a 15 kilometer north. Yeah, good. Excellent answer from the Naveen Kumar, Nalini, Sandhya, Kavishri, Shyamala. Excellent answers. Now I'm going to move the next part, which is time and work. Before to start the time and work, I wanted to give you discard. Yeah, I'm going to discard that. Yeah. Yeah, before going to start the time and work, I wanted to give you the next matter, which is a number series. In a coding decoding, likewise, they are giving the importance to number series too. Number series. Yeah. Yeah. This is the first type. Are you ready to answer my question, which I'm going to ask you? Because everybody, you should be cautious to answer the number series. Yeah, the number is 10, 20, 40. What the next number may comes?
Seven.
80, sir.
80.
70, sir.
80, sir. 80,
80, sir.
70, sir.
Yeah,
70.
yeah. Those who are answering the 70, you are the genius. 10 to 20. Here is a plus 10. Here is a plus 20. So usually
70,
you have to add plus 30, which gives the answer is a 70, which is the addition type question. Addition. The second 90, 70. What the next number may comes?
40, sir.
40.
40.
Excellent.
Minus 30. 30, sir.
Excellent.
40, sir. Minus 30
40
means
is it?
40. 40, sir.
40 is the right answer. So, which is pertaining to subtraction. The third pattern, usually they are asking, which is 2, 2, 6, 30. What is the next number may comes?
Two
210.
210.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. So here, 1 2s are 2. Here, multiply into 1. Here, multiply into 3. 2 3s are 6. Here, multiplied by 5. 6 5s are 30. So usually multiplied by 7. 3 7s are 210. Give a thumbs up to you. Give a thumbs up to you. Which is pertaining is 200, 100, 50. What the answer may comes in the next?
25, sir.
25.
Yeah, excellent. 25. 25. Here divided by 2. Here also divided by 2. Here also divided by 2. So this is the matter you have to concentrate when the number series goes in a increasing order. You have to concentrate this thing which is a addition or multiplication. If the number series goes to decreasing order, you have to concentrate subtraction as well as the division. Have you understood my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Next type, which is a fifth type. 1, 9, 25. What the number may comes in the next?
36.
Sir, 49.
49, sir. 49.
36.
49.
36.
Those who have answered 49, you are the right. 1 square, 1 ka square, which gives 1. Then 3 ka square, which is a 9. 5 square, which is a 25. Then 7 ka square, which is a 49. We call it as a square root. And the next type. $27, 125, 343, And what the number may comes next? 343. Yeah.
9.
Oh,
9.
here,
9.
in cube. Yeah. 9,
9.
huh?
8.
5 cubes are 125. 7 cubes are 343. So 9 cubes are 729. The answer is 729, which is a cube root. Last but not the least. Last but not the least. 10th time, which is a prime number. What are the prime number? You know well. What do you mean by the prime number? You know well. தன்னாலும் ஒன்றாலும் வகுப்படக்கூடிய ஒன்றை 29, 19, 17, 13, and 11. And what is the next number it becomes?
11. 11.
Yeah, you can answer. Yes, that's good. That's good. Yeah, thank you. So now I'm going to give the practice question. You are going to identify the question as well. Give the yes. Yeah. The question is 5, 7, 14, 16, 32. What the number may comes in the next?
Sir, 64. 4, sir. 64.
34.
64. The answer is the answer you have to get from the option. A is 64, B is 34.
34, sir.
34, sir.
34, sir.
34.
Plus 2 into
34.
2.
Here plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2. So the plus 2 which
34.
comes 34.
34.
Yeah, the previous year question which they are asking in the UGC NET examination, I'm going to give you. Kindly mute your phone, man. 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37. What the number may comes in the next? The answers are 72, 50, 57, and 62.
$50.
50, sir.
50.
Yeah, I need answer from everybody. I need answer from everybody. Kavishri, Shyamal, 50. Botany Basics, 50. So the answer is a 50. Those who are answering, just take that. Yeah. Can you move the next question? Can you move the next?
Please explain.
Yeah. Explain. Yeah, I will explain. Here is a +2. Wait. Yeah, I given the 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37. Nah? Yeah. Here is a +3, +5, +7, +9, +11, usually +13, which gives the answer 50. So this is the simplest question they have answered.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, யாரோ you muted அப்படின்றீங்க யார் தெரியல. சுதர்ஷன் சார் சொல்லுங்க சார். சுதர்ஷன் சார். Yeah, I'm in the line. I'm in the line. Yeah.
சார் சார் அப்படியே
Now-
முதல்ல
now-
கேட்டு மூட்டா இருந்தது சார். அதான்
Now I'm
கேக்கல.
going to move the next. Good. Thank you. Now I'm going to move the next matter, which is time and work. Time and work. Can I continue the session or not?
Yes, sir.
Give the thumbs up to me. Give the 100% to me if you wanted to continue the session. Great.
Sir, you can continue, sir, but another one day also, if it is possible, you can continue, sir. This is the humble request
Yeah.
to Rajkumar sir also.
Yeah, of course. Time and work. Usually, in the time and work session, they would have asked like this question: if A works 20 days, B works 30 days, and how many days A and B work together? So, like these questions, they are asking. This is the pattern number 1, for which you have to go to answer within a fraction of second. You have to write as such A, which is 20 days, B, which is 30 days. You have to take the LCM for 20 and 30, which I have given. 2 10s are 20, 15 2s are 30, and 2 5s are 10. 15 2 we could not possible. So as such you have to write 15, and then you go for 3 table, write as such 5, 5 3s are 15, and go for the 5 table, 1 5s are 5, and again 1 5s are 5. Here you have to take the LCM total, which is 5 3s are 15, 2 15s are 30, 2 30s are 60. So the total of LCM for the 20 and 30, which is 60. In this total, how many 20s are there to identify the each day in a week, in a total? So we could identify in the total. So 20 30s are 6, 23s are 60, 32s are 60. So you have to add that one, which is 5. Which is a single person. In the total of LCM, you have to divide it by the answer which we arrived, which gives the total days work together. That's all. Simple the answer. How many of you find this is the simplest way to the answer? Give the yes to me. Give the yes to me. Because I'm going to move the next pattern. How many of you? If you are giving yes to me, I will go the next. Is it right? Yeah, good. Thank you. Asitam. Yeah. This is the second pattern. If A plus B work together for 20 days. A only works 40 days. And how many days B alone can work? For this, you have to write as such A plus B, which is a 20 days, and A, which is a 40 days. The LCM for 20 and 40, so 40 days. 22s are 40, 1s are 40, which is A plus B, which is A. Here is A. Here, don't confuse, don't add, because already they are given A plus B. So you have to subtract 2 minus 1, which is a 1, 40 divided by 1, which is a 40 days. This is the second pattern. This is the second pattern. Now I am going to move the third pattern. Yeah, I'm going to give you a practice question to you. How many of you wanted to crack this question? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ah. I'm waiting for your answer. I'm waiting for your answer. What is the LCM for 20 and 25? Which is 100, 20. Four, we will get the answer 1, which is the 100. Actually, they are asking, works 18 days, B works 20 days, C works 30 days, but then time taken by A alone to complete the remaining work. Uh, 180, 18 tens are 180, 20 nines are 180, 30. Yeah. B plus C.